Hello everyone and welcome back to Fun with Canva. In this tutorial we are going to create some text around a person or an image. So what I'm going to do is come over to the search bar and use Instagram post portrait. When that loads up, firstly we're going to click on the page and change the page color to black. Then we're going to come over to apps and we'll type here type or Typecraft, and you'll see in the search it comes up with Typecraft. So click on Typecraft and then click on the app to open it. So Typecraft is a really good way to create different text, shapes, sizes, etc. In Canva. So in the text we'll type here travel abroad. Now let me say I should type that in capitals, so travel abroad now. So after we've typed out text, I'm going to choose a font and we're going to choose Anton, and then we're going to come down to color and we'll put the text color to white, or the font color to white. So with all that being done, we now have our text in the edit shape that we can edit. So to edit it, we simply just go up with this and drag that one up parallel underneath, and to get the curve a bit more, bring this out to the right, keep it as parallel as possible, bring that out to the left, and the same with that one. So I will just come back here and change that to white. So now that we've got that, we'll add element to design, and you can see there that there is a curve. We'll duplicate that one because we want to create two, and what we'll do is drag this down and drag that one down as well. Alright, now that we're happy with that, we'll update the element, and as you can see we've pretty much got a circle. Travel abroad now. So with that being said and done, we will highlight that text, right click, download selection, transparent background, and download. And we will do the same. So we'll save that as design 1, place, and do the same with this one, and save that as design 2, replace. What we'll do is add a page now, come over to uploads, upload our files. So we'll upload 1, upload 2, and as you can see there, bring that one in, and join them as a circle. What we'll do is add a page now, come over to uploads, upload our files. So we'll upload 1, upload 2, and as you can see there, bring that one in, and join them as a circle. We'll highlight both of them, enlarge them, tilt it slightly to about 15 degrees, place it about there, and what we'll do now is go to elements, and in elements we'll search for plane. After you search the word plane, go through the photos and graphics and choose a plane of your liking. So just to speed up the process a bit, I chose this Qantas plane. So what I will do there is paste it into the photo image. Also what I have done is downloaded an image of the travel abroad, and I will just overlay that over, get it hopefully spot on. Okay, that looks good. So now that's over the top, I will simply just crop that here. Or actually crop it here as if the plane is flying up through underneath the text. So I will highlight all that and just adjust that into pretty much the center. Alright, and I will add some more text in Typecraft and go, your destination awaits you. Your destination awaits you. And again, just drag that down. Change the color to white and update element. Highlight these ones. Okay. Again, I will download selection, transparent background, download. Title 3. Go to uploads, upload file, design 3. Insert that. Just make sure that's over the top. Okay. Again, I will download selection, transparent background, download on title 3. Go to uploads, upload file, design 3. Insert that. Just make sure that's over the top. Right, edit image, go to shadows, go to glow, press glow again, go size 15, go transparency 100, low 0, change the color to your desired color, maybe check that down to 10, or even 5, yep, go apply, go to drop, change that color to white, go apply. Right, edit image, go to shadows, go to glow, press glow again, go size 15, go transparency 100, low 0, change the color to your desired color, maybe check that down to 10, or even 5, yep, go apply, go to drop, change that color to white, go apply, highlight like that. Center. Okay, highlight like that. Dead center. Okay, go to elements, type in clouds, photos, add a cloud here. Duplicate. Go photos, add a cloud here. Duplicate. Go here. Blue sky. Layer, center back, drop the transparency down, 55, go to here, type in ocean, layer, center back. Show layers. I like that one. Okay. Type elements, go to fog. And go layers, highlight all these, transparency. So after you've dropped it to that 61 transparency, I will go to layers, show layers, and I'm just going to select all these. So just double checking I've got everything, yep, and I will grab these clouds as well. Just move it up. Alrighty, go to layers again. I like that one, and bring to front. So after you've dropped it to that 61 transparency, I will go to layers, show layers, and I'm just going to select all these. So just double checking I've got everything, yep, and I will grab these clouds as well. And just move it up. Alrighty, go to layers again. I like that one, and bring to front. So there you have it. Travel abroad now, your destination awaits you.